Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a Google form. So first off, you want to type in Google form on your Google search bar here, and then just click on this website up here, Google Forms, sign in. Now, of course, you'll have to have a Google account, but I'm sure you already have that. So let's just click on this. Now it'll open up a talks.google.com website here. Now you can do a blank form, or there's a couple of pre-made templates you can pick from here. Like for example, if you want to do a party invite or an RSVP, a t-shirt sign up or an event registration, you can go by this template. But I'm just going to click on blank form. Now on blank form, let's just wait for it to load. And for this form, I'm going to call this an example questionnaire, right? So example, I'm going to close this. I'm going to call this example questions, right? And I'm going to do a form description as well. So this is just an example, right? And for the typography here, you can also modify it. Like you can make it bold here, for example. I'm going to make this bold, and I'm going to make the description here italics, for example, like that. Now, there's a couple of types of question we can do. So for example, this is now the one we get first off is a multiple choice. This is a multiple choice, right? Multiple choice. Now, the way this kind of questions work is that you can only pick one option. If you want to add an option, for example, option 2, I'm going to type in option 2, and I'm going to type in option 3. You can also add other. Now, on other, when someone pick this, they'll have to type in their answer, right? So right now we have option 1, option 2, and option 3. We can rearrange these options if you like this. You can see there's like a 6 dot there. You can drag on job here. Now, if you want to add more questions, you just have to click on this add question. Now, let's go through the other types of questions. For example, there's multiple choice. But what if we want a question where the responder can pick a lot of different answers? For that, we can do checkboxes. So for example, multiple checks here, multiple checks like this. And again, I'm going to do the same thing, option 1, option 2, option 3. And you can see this is the kind that's going to have you be able to do a multiple checkboxes thing. We can also add another one here. Now, for the last one, I'm going to do a question that can give the responder an option to type in their own messages. So I'm going to click on the drop down menu here, and I'm going to go to short answer or paragraph. I'm going to do short answer, and I'm just going to say type whatever, right? Now, of course, this is not the only type of question that's available. You can see there's a lot like checkboxes, drop down, and there's also file upload, a linear scale. There's also multiple choice grid. There's checkbox grid, a date, a time, a paragraph. So there's a lot, right? Now I'm just gonna trash this question. Now you can see our form is ready. Now how do we first test it out? We can click on this eye icon to preview what our form will look like. Now you can see this is what it will look like. Now the only thing left to do is to publish it. So just press this big blue button to publish. Now just click on publish. Now on publish, you'll see it'll say published. Now we can add this copy responder link. Let's click on copy here. Now let's go to a new site here, for example. Now you can see this is what the form will look like. Now let's answer it. Option 2, option 1 and 2, and I'm just going to type in whatever. I'm going to click on submit here. And you can see my response has been recorded. Now this is what the customer or whatever responder we sent this link to will see. Now if we go back to our untitled form here, you can see we can see a response tab here. So we can see what kind of responses people give to our form. So it has a 100% response here on multiple choice. It has a 100% rate on option 2. And there's on the multiple checks, you have a bar section here, and you can on type whatever. There is a normal section here that just shows someone's answer. So this is the basic of Google Form to get you started. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.